Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Pilot G-207 is probably one of the most popular and widely used retractable gel pens on the market, celebrated for its smooth writing experience, vibrant ink colors, and comfortable grip, making it a go-to choice for students, professionals, and anyone who appreciates a reliable writing instrument for everyday tasks, from note-taking to journaling and creative endeavors. Number 5. Nilight NIWA06 LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. Introducing the Nilight NIWA06 LED Light Bar Wiring Harness Kit. This essential accessory is designed to power your off-road lights and work lights with ease. It comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. This kit offers universal fit, making it compatible with all automobiles, boats, and devices that use a 12-volt power source. You can connect it to virtually any vehicle or equipment. It features a power relay for safety and conversion, along with a blade fuse. This protects your circuit from overcurrent or short circuits, ensuring safe operation. The illuminated 3-pin on-off rocker switch has a red indicator light that turns on when activated. It's designed for durability, having passed 5,000 pressing tests, making it easy to control your lights. With 2 sets of light output connectors, it supports dual lighting fixtures up to 180 W. This provides a more stable and reliable connection for your lighting setup. The package includes everything you need: 1 wiring harness kit and 1 instruction manual. Get ready to enhance your lighting experience. What we like. This wiring harness kit offers universal compatibility with any 12-volt system. It features essential circuit protection for safety and a durable, illuminated switch for easy operation. If you're setting up auxiliary lighting on your vehicle or boat and need a reliable and safe connection, this is a solid choice. What people say. Headlights are now constantly bright with the direct power. Included red switch illuminates when on. Relay works great, no blown fuses. Works great, did the job. Complete wiring harness for light bar or fog lights. Wire cables are thick, well insulated, and long enough to get the job done. Safety fuses are included. Power switch has a nice look to it. Number 4. Nilight 18W LED Pods. Introducing the Nilight 18W LED Pods, designed to provide super bright and clear visibility. Experience a wider illumination range that lets you see more of your surroundings. These pods feature advanced heat dissipation technology, utilizing aluminum alloy heat sinks and silicone gel. This ensures an extended lifespan of over 30,000 hours. With an IP67 waterproof rating, they can handle submersion in water and are dustproof. The rust-proof and anti-corrosive stainless steel mounting brackets ensure durability. The adjustable mounting bracket allows for easy direction changes, tilting up to 45 degrees. Installation is straightforward for various applications. These lights are incredibly versatile, compatible with a wide range of vehicles like trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and boats. They are perfect for both off-road adventures and everyday use. Each package contains 2 18W flood LED pods, providing powerful lighting for your needs. Get ready to enhance your visibility with these bright and durable lights. What we like. These LED pods deliver super bright, wide-angle illumination for exceptional visibility in any condition. Their advanced heat dissipation and IP67 waterproof rating ensure longevity and performance. If you need powerful, durable lighting for off-road adventures, work sites, or marine applications, these are ideal. What people say. Installed on my garden tractor, they work much better than the stock headlights. Now I can see what's in front of me at night. Great kit. Easy to wire with color-coded connectors, making installation straightforward. It provides excellent visibility in low-light conditions and appears highly durable with a sturdy metal housing and sealed components. I use them on my snowblower to replace the dim old halogen lights, significantly improving illumination during winter snow clearing. These lights are great, super easy to wire up and mount. I was pleasantly surprised with how bright they were, and the price can't be beat. I highly recommend these lights. Number 3. Sharpie S-Gel Gel Pens. Introducing the Sharpie S-Gel, designed for a superior writing experience. Enjoy smoother, bolder lines with ink that dries quicker than the competition. Tired of messy notes? Our advanced gel ink technology ensures no smear and no bleed, keeping your pages clean and professional. Make your mark with intensely bold gel ink colors. These pens provide always vivid writing that stands out on any page. Write for longer with ease. The contoured rubber grip provides exceptional comfort, making extended writing sessions a breeze. Whether you're at home, in the office, or at school, these pens are your ideal writing companion. They are perfect for all your writing, note-taking, and journaling needs. This 12-count pack includes a variety of ink colors, all in a convenient medium point size. Get 4 black, 4 blue, and 4 red pens to suit any task. What we like? Experience writing that's smoother, bolder, and dries faster than the competition, with no smearing or bleeding. The comfortable grip makes extended writing sessions a breeze. If you value clean, vivid lines for note-taking, journaling, or schoolwork and want a comfortable writing experience, these pens are a great pick. What people say. They write incredibly smoothly without any skipping or dragging, which makes taking notes during client meetings or filling out paperwork much more pleasant. The ink flow is solid and consistent, and the colors are vibrant and professional. The ink dries incredibly quickly and doesn't smudge, which is a huge bonus for both right and left-handed writers, and for keeping your work clean. Number 2. Pilot G-207 Black Fine Retractable Gel Pen. Introducing the Pilot G-207, the best-selling retractable gel pen. Experience unparalleled smoothness and vibrant writing every single time. Its advanced gel ink formula is acid-free and archive-safe, ensuring your important documents stand the test of time. Enjoy a consistently vivid writing experience from start to finish. Featuring a fine 0.7 mm tip for precise lines and a cushioned ergonomic grip, it provides exceptional comfort during extended writing sessions. Say goodbye to hand fatigue. The durable tungsten carbide ball ensures a smooth, blob-free writing performance. This pen is designed for reliability and a flawless finish. This retractable gel pen is refillable, making it an economical and eco-conscious choice. Keep writing with ease and reduce waste. Discover the complete collection of pens and refills available in our store. Find the perfect writing instrument to suit your needs. What we like? This pen offers a consistently smooth writing experience with vivid, blob-free gel ink. Its cushioned ergonomic grip ensures comfort during long writing sessions. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable everyday pen for general writing tasks, this is a top contender. What people say. They write well and they last quite a while with the amount of ink inside. The pens are durable and don't easily break. The clip holds them firmly in a pocket or in my case clipped to a few thicknesses of 3x5 cards. Number 1. Pilot G-2 Premium Gel Pens, Fine Point, Black Ink, 14-pack. Experience an exceptionally smooth writing sensation as these pens glide effortlessly across the page. They are proven to be the longest-lasting gel ink pens, allowing you to write more and refill less. Express yourself with Pilot's innovative writing tools. Our range includes various types of pens and markers designed for every writing need. These black pens are ideal for all your daily writing needs, from taking notes to creating lists. The fine tip ensures crisp, clean lines for writing, drawing, or doodling. Save money and reduce waste by using these refillable pens. The vibrant, quick-drying ink helps prevent smudges and smears, keeping your work clean. Designed for comfort, these fine point pens feature a contoured rubber grip. This ergonomic support makes even long writing sessions more comfortable. Choose the perfect writing experience with available point sizes ranging from ultrafine to bold. Find the ideal tip for your specific writing style. What we like? Enjoy a smooth, long-lasting writing experience with ink that dries quickly to prevent smudges. The refillable design makes it an economical and eco-friendly choice. If you write frequently and want a pen that's both dependable and sustainable, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The Pilot G-207 is a reliable pen that writes smoothly and consistently. The fine point tip allows for precise writing and detailed work. The gel ink dries quickly, preventing smudging and making it ideal for left-handed writers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.